Hey everybody, it's your girl Cece. Welcome back to my channel. So thank you guys so much for stopping and clicking on this video. If you are new to my channel, definitely hit the like button and also subscribe and the bell. That way you are notified of any future uploads from me. And if you're a returning subscriber to my channel, thank you so much for coming back. So today, you guys, I have my Boxycharm Premium to unbox and try on for you guys. I want to see my unboxing as well as how I created this look right here. Definitely just keep hard. So this is what this month's card looks like. And the theme is Dare to Dazzle. Okay. And it has all of the products and everything. So I'm going to go ahead and just start pulling things out. So the first thing that I see, I'm so super excited about because it is a palette. So I got the Dominique Cosmetics Multi-Use Eye and Face Palette. It looks like this. It is actually her Transition palette is the actual name of it. And you know, I love me a good like wearable transition shade. Okay, simple packaging, just the brown, white, and gold kind of marble. I think this is really cute. It does come with a nice size mirror, and on the mirror it just says keep life simple. Yes, girl, keep it simple. Okay, and this is the palette itself. Like, this is so me, you guys. Like, all of these are mattes. It has 15 shades, and you've got just kind of like, you can set your eyeshadow. You've got some nice browns. You've got like some deeper cool tones. So this is me all day. I would just do a good transition color, 1-2 shades, do a shimmer shade on the lid and keep it moving. Okay, so I'm super excited to try this today. And this palette retails for $48. This is their Step 3 Environmental Shield City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. So I'm going to take it out of the packaging so you can see. And this is one of the ones that you push it down to get the product out. Some people hate this. I honestly don't mind the packaging. I really don't. But what it says, it detoxifies and revitalizes the skin overnight. A daily dose of pollution and blue light from electronic devices can accelerate physical signs of aging, which I did not know that. This breakthrough formula contains supercharged antioxidants that neutralize pollutants and strengthen the skin's barrier while you sleep. Okay, so basically, this is obviously a PM moisturizer. You just put it on, leave it on at night, and it leaves your skin nice and hydrated and ready for the next morning. So I'm obviously not going to be using this in the try-on portion because it is a PM moisturizer. So I'm going to just go ahead and pump a little bit out. That is what that looks like. Doesn't really have too much of a smell. It's like that. It feels really nice on the skin. My hand definitely feels nice and smooth and hydrated. It does have a faint citrus smell, not anything too overpowering, but that is what it looks like on the back of my hand. So I will most definitely be adding this to my nighttime routine and letting you guys know what I think of that. And girl, she does not retail for $74 for a moisturizer. You better go to TJ Maxx. $74, ain't nobody got time for that. Anywho, the next thing that I have is actually a foundation, which I'm super excited to try. And this is the Natasha Denona Transform Matte Foundation. So this is a medium to full coverage matte liquid foundation. It's supposed to blur the pores, smooth and even texture, and protect your skin from environmental damage, which, listen, that is all me. This was one of my choice items because I'm always down to try a new foundation. I got mine in the shade 31W Light Medium Warm. So I'm really, really hoping that this matches me. So this is what it looks like. And it says shake well. So I guess you're supposed to shake it up. And it does come with a pump. So I'm excited to try this. And it retails for $45 by Mapillum. I think is how you pronounce the name, Mapillum. And it's their eye cream with vitamin C and quinona extract. And this is supposed to reduce dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines. And this retails for $39. Thing that I have is by Floss Beauty. And I have really been wanting to try Floss Beauty. And this is the Concierge Cheek and Lip Tint. Now, I don't know how I'm gonna feel about this. I'm gonna be honest, because cream blushes, tints, things like that, I'm usually just not into that. But I will try it for the sake of these try-ons. So this is what it looks like out of the packaging. So it's just basically, you untwist this and it's a stick, basically. And so that is what it looks like. You just push it up, and this shade is called Sandals. And that is the shade right there. So the last thing that I have in here is by Zoeva Beauty, and this is their Pure Velours Lip. Okay, so this is like, okay, so it's a matte lipstick, basically. So this is the packaging. So let's open her up and see. Okay, all right, nice nude shade. Come through with the nude. And so it does have a nice doe fit applicator, which you know I love. And that is the color. So it looks like these two colors would go really well together with a lip liner, which is exactly what I'm gonna do on the try on. So this feels really smooth, really like moussey and creamy on the skin. I'm gonna see how it feels on the lips. But this retails for $15, which is a really, really good price for a liquid lipstick. So that is everything that came in my premium box for this month. So let's go ahead and move into the try on portion. Go in with hazelnut as a base, and then I'm going to put a glitter topper on top. Just kind of dotting it in first, because I'm not sure. I did 2 pumps, but it doesn't look like 2 pumps is really like gonna be enough for me. So I'm just gonna do 1 more pump for my forehead and any places where I feel like I may need extra coverage. And I'm gonna take my Wet n Wild Bretman Rock setting spray, wet my brush, and then we're gonna blend out the translucent powder, and I'm just gonna apply some under my eyes to kind of matte this down, because it is so highlighty. And bronze up the face with my NARS Laguna bronzer, which I absolutely love. And just, I'm kind of scared to use this because I know it's going to be super, super bright, but I'm just going to put a couple strips where I normally would put my bronzer, my blush, and let's see how this blends.
Now, this is not horrible. I have my thoughts about cheek tints, right? But this is actually not bad.
Okay, I would actually use this on a regular. I would, because it blended out really nice. It just gave a nice flesh of color to the cheeks, but nothing crazy. So, okay, I see you. So let's go ahead and set the face. I'm using my Motives 10 Years Younger setting spray. I'm going to use Fenty Beauty's Hustler Baby. Use this Bodyography lip pencil in the shade Rosewood. Is about to be bad, okay? Like, I would wear this transition palette all year long. Fall colors, summer colors. The transition shades were amazing in here, so this is definitely right up my alley. Tasha Denona foundation. Now, I haven't left the house yet, so I can't say for certain how this wore throughout the day. I will kind of do a comment, and I'll pin that comment up to the top, letting you guys know like how this wore throughout the day. But like looking at it in the mirror and on camera, it blended out really, really beautifully. This product definitely surprised me. I was not expecting to like this lip and cheek tint because I normally hate lip and cheek tints. I'm gonna be honest with you. When I put it on my cheeks, it always, the color is just off or it's way, way too pigmented. And even after you blend and blend and blend, it still just looks like super harsh. But it actually blended in really nicely to the cheeks. Just gave me a nice little wash of color. Looked really nice. It looked really great on the lips too. Like I could definitely see me just like throwing this in my bag, and when I just want to like, you know, put a little color to the lips or whatever, putting this on throughout the day. So I ain't even gonna lie, like this is something I would actually buy. I really would. And the lipstick, the Zoeva liquid lipstick, was absolutely beautiful. Like I said, I always like with mattes, if I buy mattes, I buy it to put a gloss on top because I like the color of mattes, but I just like a little bit of shine to it. But honestly, if you love a matte lip, you would really like this because it went on really creamy, really smooth. It didn't feel like super drying on the lips at all. So you would actually really like this just as a straight up matte. So that is the unboxing of my premium box. My base box is on the way, so definitely stay tuned for my base box unboxing. And if there's any other types of videos that you guys want to see, let me know. I know I did get a request for a winged eyeliner tutorial, so I will be working on that in the next coming days as well. But yeah, let me know if you guys have any requests or anything. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys next time in my next video. Bye.